Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can change number on Bigo Live. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up Bigo Live application on your mobile phone. Once you have opened it, you'll be appear with the home page of Bigo. Now go ahead and tap on the Me, which is appear on the bottom right corner. Now here you can see the settings option on the top hand side. Go ahead and tap on it. Now go ahead and select account management. Now here you can see phone option. Here are two options available. As you can see, you can change your phone number and you can also change your password from in here. And now in order to change the phone number, what you can do is tap on change phone number. So now it will send you a verification code to the number that you have added previously to Bigo Live. In order to get the confirmation or verification code, tap on send. So once you have received the verification code, verify it. Now you can add a new number that you would like to change. Once it's done, tap on next. Confirm it. Doing so will successfully help you change your phone number on Bigo Live. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.